Hello my friends, welcome to my new video. This time I'm testing the ARRTX acrylic markers. This box comes with 60 rich and diverse colors with a direct ink system, easy ink flow. I did a little sketch and let's try them. Don't forget to shake them before use. The pen feels good in my hands. Soft and easy coloring. Did you recognize the devil fruit? Very intense and powerful colors. Easy layers on top and nice blending. By the way, you can draw on wood, paper, canvas and many more. High quality and quick drying. For the finish, some white highlights and black outlines. Whoa, look at these colors! Can't wait for using these pens next time. And now it's your turn. Link in description box, 15% off. Check them out.